فوبيا أقول عنيقة نينك waa la iga dilay anigu waa dhaawacmay waxaan diyaar u ahaa inaan dalka u dhinto una dhaawacmo hadda dhaawaca inaan u dhinto diyaar u
There's always this certain, thinking that women are supposed to be doing some roles and men are supposed to be doing some other. So women have to also try 3 times, 4 times harder than men to really prove yourself. This is where we are. I mean, it's not just a Somali issue. This is a global thing. This is how women always, if you ever meet any woman who having, big, who are representing in big areas, it never came easy. It never is easy. And you should not expect things to be easy. The cases we deal with, this is not cases that are really even welcomed still in our community. It's not. You would have rape cases. The cases we see usually now these days, it's babies' rapes. It's not just kids, even babies. Everything wants to be kept still hush-hush, and me and the rest of my colleagues here, we were physically, personally threatened for pursuing some cases, because when you look at the management, we don't have much female, in senior positions, we don't have. So just that, I would like to, so to be part of the progress, and yeah, and if we do step up, we will be.